All right, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make quinoa in the pressure cooker, and it probably takes about 5 minutes tops, even though it's gonna take me like an hour to record this video, so it really didn't save me any time. But I'm doing it for you. All right, so it's January 3rd. We're all on our brand new diets. It's gonna be really great, 2023. And I just got back from the gym. Let's just say that, and let's just assume I didn't put on a workout shirt for the sake of this video. And I'm trying to eat a little bit healthier, so I figured why not have some quinoa, because I need some carbohydrates. I don't know why, because I'm friggin' starving. Let's just get to the video. All you need is some quinoa, some salt, olive oil, and then some sort of liquid. It can be water, chicken stock. I'm using duck broth that I made, homemade. It's pretty good. First step, we're just gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, then add the quinoa over medium heat and toast it until it smells nutty. And then as soon as it starts smelling nutty, we'll add our broth. We'll seal it up. And we'll cook it for 4 minutes. And then once 4 minutes is up, we'll run it under the sink to depressurize the pressure cooker, and then we'll start eating. Let's get to it. All right, it's already come to a little bit of pressure. We haven't gotten to our full pressure to start the timer yet. But as this thing gets warmer, the pressure will start to build, and it'll start to push up this little stopper, and it'll have 2 red lines. The first red line means we've come to, I don't know, 1 bar? 1.4 bar? I think it's 1.4 bars of pressure. And then I'm gonna have to look that up. And then when we see the second red line, I think we're at 2 bars. I'm just making these numbers up. But that's when we wanna start our timer. Okay, there's the first bar. And now we're at the second bar. Time to time. So I just realized we forgot to add the salt. That's okay. We all make mistakes sometimes. This one just happens to be my first. We can always add it after we depressurize. Now, depending on how dry or moist you want your quinoa, if there's a little bit of extra liquid in there, you can turn it up over low heat and just give it a stir for another minute or two while the rest of that broth evaporates out. Otherwise, I think we're good to cool this bad boy down.